Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rani Raut. Today we are going to learn about science subject and we are taking information about the skeletal system. We have studied about some of system in the human body, each of them equally important as it has a special functions. Now we shall study about the skeletal system. The skeleton, it is a framework of bones that hold our body upright. If we did not have the skeleton, we should not able to stand, sit or perform any of function we usually do. The skeletal system consists of bones and cartilage. Cartilage is a flexible substance that is not as hard as a bone. The bones in our body are hard and strong and are made up of calciums and other minerals. They are filled with a substance called bone marrow that produces blood cells. Functions of the skeleton. Our skeleton has three major functions. First, it gives our body a proper shape that provides support to our body. Next, it protects our vital internal organs such as the brain, spinal cord, heart, and lungs. Next, it allows us to move. The bones in our body are connected together by muscles that help our body to move, bend, and stretch. A newborn baby has around 300 bones, but an adult has only 206 bones. This is because as we grow, some of the bones join together to form a single bone. Now we are going to take information about parts of the skeleton. The human skeleton comprises of the skull, ribs, sternum, vertebral column, shoulder blades, arm bones, pelvis and leg bones. Skull. Skull is a bony framework of the head. It protects the brain. It consists of 22 different bones that are joined together. Ribs. Ribs are thin curved bones that form a protective cage around the organs in upper body. They consist of 24 bones arranged into 12 pairs. They are joined to be backbone at the back and to the chest bone in the front. We can feel our rib cage by running our fingers along the side and front of our body. Sternum. The sternum or breastbone is the flat, dagger shaped bone located in the middle of the chest. Along with the ribs, the sternum form the rib cage that protect the heart and lungs from any damages. Vertebral column. The vertebral column, also known as the backbone, spines or spinal column consists of series of 33 bones called the vertebra. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. It is approximately 28 inches or 70 centimeters long. Shoulder blade. The shoulder blade is the bone that connects the arm bone and the collarbone. It also has the joint that allow movement of the arms. Arm bones. The upper arm, that is region between the shoulder and the elbow, consists of single long bone called humerus. The lower arm is the region between the elbows and the wrist. It consists of two bones called the radius and the ulna. The hand consists of three parts: the wrist, palm, and five fingers. It is made up of 27 bones. Pelvis and thigh bone. Our legs are attached to strong ring of bones called pelvis. It is a bowl-shaped bone that balances the weight of the body on the legs. It is made up of two large hip bones that connect the spine to the pelvis. The bone from pelvis to the knee is called the femur or thigh bone. Lower leg bones. The lower leg includes the region from the knees to ankle and has two bones called the fibula and tibia. Our foot contains 26 small bones. Our half of the bones in our body are located in the hand and feet. Now we are studying about joints. A joint is a place where two or more bones join together. There are different types of joints in our body. That is why different parts of our body have different movements. Ball and socket, pivot, hinge, and gliding joints are different types of movable joints of a human body. Ball and socket joint. This type of joint is a ball-like bone that fits into another socket-shaped bone. This type of joint allows movement in almost all the directions. For example, the shoulder and hip joints. Pivot joint. This type of joint is found between the fist and the second bone of vertebral column. It allows bones to twist around other bones like allow nodding of the head and its movement from side to side. This type of joint is also found in the radius part of elbow. Hinge joint. This is joint between two bones that allow movement of bones only in a single direction. For example, the elbow and knee joints. Gliding joint. In this type of joint, one bone slides over another. It allows side to side and backward and forward movement. For example, the joints in the wrist, ankle, and backbone. Two bones are joined together by ligaments. Ligaments are strong and stretchable bands of tissue that hold our bones together. They provide support to the bones while allowing flexibility and movement. A tendon is tissue which connects bone to muscles, while a ligament is a tissue which connects one bone to another bone. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the more updates. Thank you.